Okay, there's your baby. Take her out of the box. Oh, do you like her?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, she's so pretty. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy's phone. Say thank you, Auntie Shelly. Thank you, Gianna. Thank you, Rachel. Do you love her? Do you like her?
Yeah. Look at how black, Mommy.
Well, yeah, it's dark brown, huh? Brown hair like you, and brown eyes like you, and light skin like you. Oh, she's so pretty.
And got jammies.
And she's got pretty cozy jammies.
Look at the bed.
You're gonna put her in the bed?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back.